In this video, we are going to talk about 10 ways the robotics can transform our future. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Consider the self-serve pump the next time you stop for gas to get an idea of how robots are transforming our daily life. When gas stations first appeared, it was difficult to envision such improvement. These robots are now accessible to Americans living in rural communities. That is but one illustration of how artificial intelligence is changing how we live. Leading tech companies are constantly competing to improve how robotics are incorporated into people's daily lives, which will pave the way for an incredibly exciting future. Here's a list of the 10 ways the robotics can transform our future. Let's start. Number 10. Manufacturing and pharmaceutical work and retail services. The fear that AI will replace humans in the workforce is especially prevalent in this industry. When the majority of today's commodities are generated by mechanized processes, AI can also undertake operational tasks. Robots can collaborate with experts in pharmaceutical labs, creating a much safer environment. Scientists won't be endangering their lives any longer. People who handle sales have been replaced by automated services. AI can be included very fast from numerous retailers focused on self-ordering and payment solutions. In many retail companies, robots are taking the place of retail employees in order to analyze consumer behavior. Additionally, the sophisticated data analysis performed by AI robots reveals additional goods that clients may become interested in the future. Number 9. Robots will boost our standard of living. Everyone has witnessed this throughout history. Mechanization and automation raised the global level of living. It happened during the Industrial Revolution, and it will do so once more. According to estimates from the UN, poverty has decreased more over the last 50 years than it did in the 50 before. This is so because technology significantly contributed to the sevenfold increase in the global economy. People are anticipating a more comfortable future as a result of software automating all types of jobs. Don't you want to take part in it? Number 8. Robots in healthcare. Technology is taking a fresh look at the future of healthcare. Instead of visiting a primary care physician, who will merely examine us with a stethoscope, we will have intelligent robots perform these tasks for us. Patients will be engaged in conversation with them as they assess their health and determine whether or not they require follow-up visits. The effects of pharmaceutics will be more profound. These medical ATMs may allow us to obtain the medications we require without having to worry ourselves with divulging the specifics of our medical ailments to a complete stranger. Number 7. Driverless vehicles. Although deploying self-driving cars still requires some human interaction, that time is very near. Over the past 10 years, the public's perception of this technology has evolved from, "How is it even feasible?" to, "Maybe it's doable," to, "Definitely getting there." Waymo, the company that grew out of Google's self-driving car experiment, no longer has market dominance. Instead, every significant automaker, including Uber, is attempting to build this technology. Self-driving Ubers are currently available when customers request the service, giving them a glimpse into the future. What direction will this trend take? If businesses continue to invest in this trend, public transit will appear very different by the year 2020. Number 6. They create jobs, too. The most prevalent concern regarding robotics development is probably that robots will take our jobs. Yes, technology is evolving quickly, and this has an impact on the economy. For example, it is very likely that cab drivers will be replaced in the future by driverless automobiles. But in the near future, it's more likely that tasks than jobs will be replaced by artificial intelligence. It will also generate new markets and jobs, which is wonderful news. For certain positions, we might need further schooling and retraining, but there will be opportunities. Number 5. Robots might replace us at work. Whether we like it or not, robots have already replaced many people in their professions. Jobs in logistics, office management, and transportation are all at risk from automation. Do you remember any self-driving cars? In the future, they might pass us by on the roadways while posing as enormous automobiles. According to studies from Ball State University, many occupations, such as insurance underwriters, telemarketers, and tax return preparers, are predicted to be in danger of being automated. More specifically, it is anticipated that robots would replace more than half of all low-skilled jobs. Number 4. Robots as coworkers. In the future, robots will have a significant impact on the job. It's time for us to start considering how we'll engage with our future coworkers because they'll be able to fill many functions in an organization. We'll probably use voice commands to interact with the computers as voice recognition on their part continues to advance. According to futurists, things will go as follows. You're likely to walk into an office and your system has been spinning over the last couple of hours analyzing what's been happening in business, your role, your job, and what you need to do that day, and possibly put up numerous ideas about the appropriate direction of what to do, says the author. Number 3. Home robots. Cloud-connected home robots are now a reality. When we finish our workday, we can schedule a wonderful home-cooked dinner to be ready, and we can program the vacuum cleaner to do the chore automatically. Robotic cookers can fry, steam, bake, slow cook, and perform any other operation without our assistance. They were simply erected. These cloud-connected robots are likely to evolve into more advanced models. We foresee improved voice recognition and human contact in the next years. These modifications may radically transform the look and feel of our homes. Number 2. Robots in the classroom. Environments for personalized learning and classrooms are combining already. The needs for individualized instruction from each student in the classroom cannot be met by a single teacher. Education on computers is already changing that sector. Although it doesn't replace the teacher, it does let students move at their own pace. Robots will quicken the process of personalized learning. Now, a humanoid robot has already forged connections with students from all across the world. Important interpersonal senses like moving, hearing, speaking, and connecting are included. Number 1. Robotics in public security. Although using artificial intelligence to forecast and detect crime may sound far-fetched, it is very likely in the future we are considering. For example, soon that will be possible with drone footage. Additionally, camera-based security systems already have the ability to automatically detect suspicious activity. This technology will have a significant impact on society by enabling law enforcement to respond fast whenever suspicious conduct is observed. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.